In part 4 of the switching series of videos, we will focus on interplant switching. Interplant switching is simply the moving or switching of a car from one point to another for an individual plant or industry. An example would be a company that has two facilities but requires a railway to move a car from the one facility to the other. On the Okanagan Valley Railway, let's say that Okanagan Furniture and Penticton Lumber have the same owner. In this visual example, you will see the railway move two boxcars from Okanagan Furniture to Penticton Lumber. Interplant switching may be somewhat more complicated than an intraplant switching maneuver, but it is still fairly straightforward. So that concludes the discussion on interplant switching. The next episode in this series will cover interswitching. Thank you for watching another video in my Railways in a Nutshell series focused on educating people on railway subject matter. If you like this video and are interested in seeing more of this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have suggestions for other railway topics, feel free to send them to me.